Starting in 3, 2, 1. All right, Mustang 2 with some cubes in their lens. Let's see if they can get with the goal. They got it. Electric outlets pushing off those reds. It's 5 points for each red off the post. Mustang 2 grabbing another cube. Let's see if they can get it. Just barely missing. We have electric outlets pushing some cubes out of the zone. See if they can get it real hard. Mustang 2 trying to get some more cubes. You can now switch drivers. As we get to 25 seconds, you must now switch if you have it. Mustang 2 trying to get some more cubes. It looks like we've got a full part from electric outlets. Mustang 2 trying to get one more cube in this zone before time expires. Let's see if they can get it. With 10 seconds left. Just barely missing it. We've got 5 seconds left. They're going for a park, and they managed to get it. Q48, you're on the opportunity field. We have 1410Z, the Sparkle.